It's that time of the year once again where we need to at least cold start Bandit once a month. A new tradition I'm going to be starting to set. Nothing really special about this. It's just a video I wanted to make just for nooks and crannies, just for funsies and whatnot. And of course we can empty the fuel tank, but you know, where's the fun in that? You gotta empty and wait like 30 minutes just for the tank to empty, and then you gotta refill it when you want to go do some riding. So we just gotta keep the flow going and make sure she still runs and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out, and let's get a pull counter right down here somewhere to see how many pulls it takes to pull it. Last time it took about 20 after a 2 months wait. Now let's see if we can half that theoretically. Nope. Oh, she wants to. Come on. Come on, Bandit. Oh. I almost had it. Atta girl. Like I said, she was pretty cold. Sitting in the shed for about a month. Maybe I need to change the cold starting times. Maybe the bi-weekly. So that's gonna do it for this little shorty. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, it's fine too. It's just one of those random posts. See ya.